Welcome back to another video, and today we're doing a review on a somewhat new release from Kato, and this is their N-Scale General Electric P42 Amtrak under the 50th anniversary scheme. So as you can see, it comes in a standard issue Kato packaging, which is a clear plastic box, which is always good for protecting the model. As you can see, we have a slip on right under the box, which is that this locomotive comes with ESU Locksound 5, and we've got the diesel file and the default address. Other than that, as you can see, obviously I just read that out. And looking at the sticker on the side, once again, it is a P42 with Locksound, and it is number 100 in a midnight blue scheme. Then looking at the flip side, we've got some information about the locomotive and it being a Amtrak 50th anniversary. So you can pause and read that if you so wish to, but we will just go right on ahead and open it up. So the top should pop off like so, and I'll flip it around, and there you go. Straight away you have a view of the model. Kato doesn't put too many separately applied details on their models, so there isn't too much to run over in terms of that, but it looks pretty well done. The paint looks pretty well done as well. Looks pretty pristine, and there doesn't appear to be any blemishes or scratches, and nothing loose or missing. So that's always a big tick. In terms of accessories, we have something up here. If I can grab it out. There we go. There we go. We've got the number boards to install. A bit of a shame that Kato doesn't do that for you. But yeah, we will be putting those in. And behind that, there's some more separately applied details. And I believe, it's hard to see, I believe there's a spare coupler in there as well. But yeah, just some little things if you so wish to apply them or swap them out. Other than that, I believe there's a slip under here, which I'll pull out once we take the model out. So as you can see, I've taken the model out. I was proven wrong. It is not a slip, but rather the interior of this cardboard, which gives you some information on the model. It's a bit hard to see, but you've got some information on the headlight, lenses, warranty, extended shank couplers, which is one of the separately applied details you can apply. And then it's a bit hard to see, but there's some diagrams there of the front and back of the locomotive. So that's interesting. I think that's, for at least for us, something new from Kato that we haven't seen before. Perhaps they're just trying to save on material costs, but yeah, that's what they're doing now, I suppose. But looking at the main piece, we'll just remove the bottom here, which protects the underside of the loco. But yeah, looks really nice. We already have a P42 from Amtrak in the standard paint scheme. But yeah, as you can see on the side, connecting America for 50 years with the 50th anniversary logo, number 100 in this really nice midnight blue scheme, or paint job I should say. Got the American flag up there. Looking at the front, I believe that is where the number boards will go. And yeah, really Kato doesn't put too many separately applied details on, and is more about those injected details. So you've got grills, some rivets here and there, but the detail is pretty basic. Exhaust up the top, horn there, fan up the back, similar on the other side. We got two-wheel trucks, or four-wheel trucks, sorry, and then pretty basic detail all the way around. Coupler at either end, Amtrak logo, headlights. We've got a looks to be somewhat detailed cab interior, and then on the rear, same again, coupler. We've got the numbers, rear lights, marker lights on the front as well, and some, I believe, some information or GE logoing right there below. So yeah, looks pretty good, pretty basic, but that's what we come to expect from Kato, and they really shine in the operating department. So I think we'll just put it onto the track and see how it performs. So that wraps up our review on Kato's N-Scale P42 with the Locksound version 5. Overall, it performs really well, just like the other P42 that we have in Amtrak's regular scheme. As you can see, it's still making some noises there. But yeah, runs really, really well. Come to be expected from Kato with their N-Scale models. We didn't expect anything less. And it met our standards in terms of its operations. But the only pitfall we have with these models, and this model in particular, is just the separately applied details, or the details in general. I do think it is adequate, but I'd certainly think they could add some more, just as Broadway Limited or Scale Trains do, for example. But regardless, it's a really, really well made model. We're very happy with it, and we're glad to see that Kato are extending the schemes and variety that they have, especially for the P42. It is a model that we certainly love, and yeah, definitely recommendable in any scheme, whether it be this 50th anniversary or the normal Amtrak scheme. It's definitely a really nice model to have on the layout, and yeah, definitely recommendable. And that'll be it for this review. Thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Any comments or ideas are greatly appreciated, and we'll see you in the next video.